Instead of focusing on a singular number, we can actually learn much more about animals by graphing all the different ages when they die, which we can then convert into an equivalent graph showing what percentage of individuals are expected to survive to any given age. Each green bar represents the individuals from the group that are still alive after a certain age.
That's crazy that turtles have that much of a drop-off.
And the way the bars drop can teach us a bunch about the animals they represent. For example, this drop-off between the first and second bars represents the infant mortality rate. Some animals, like humans, have just a little drop-off, which means that parents do a lot of intensive care and not too many babies die. Some animals, like dogs, have a slightly larger drop-off, which usually indicates that parents have slightly larger litters and occasionally lose pups. Other animals, like sea turtles, have huge drop-offs, which usually means that parents don't do a lot of care and a lot of babies die. The bars in the early middle part of the distribution represent early adulthood. For humans and dogs, the bars here stay pretty much
It said 2,000? Seahorses give 2,000?
the same height, as they are less likely to die when they are both big enough to defend themselves and not yet slowed by age. But for sea turtles, the trend continues to curve downward, which suggests that for them, this part of life is still riddled with dangers. Humans and dogs tend to fall off a cliff near the end. It suggests that our health gives out quickly once we get old. But the distribution curve of some other animals, like sea turtles, instead gets flatter, suggesting that the few individuals that make it to super seniorhood not only don't get sick, but they're actually better protected from death